Inimbitahan na rin ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte maging si US President Barack Obama na makiisa sa investigasyon kontra extrajudicial killings sa Pilipinas. Ito ay kasunod ng naging imbitasyon naman ng Pangulong Duterte sa United Nations at European Union sa kondisyong bigyan siya ng pagkakataong matanong ang mga ito sa oras na maisalya ang investigasyon. Ayon sa Presidente, bukas ang bansa para kay Obama at sa malalaking organisasyon sa buong mundo na magtungo sa Pilipinas at siyasati ng mga nangyayaring pagpatay na may kinalaman sa mga drug suspect. Matatanda ang kabilang ang Estados Unidos sa mga nagpahayag ng pagkabahala sa pinaigting na kampanya ng pamahalaan kontra iligal na droga dahil sa tumataas umanong kaso ng extrajudicial killings.
Fighting the United Nations, si Bangki, anong pangalan niyang yawa niya? Ban Ki-moon, Bangkisan. So, I am inviting the EU, yung pinakamahusay, send the best lawyers of your town. Pati ang mga rapporteurs, pumunta sila sa Pilipinas. I will write them a letter to invite them for an investigation. But, in keeping with the time-honored principle of the right to be heard, matapos nila akong tanungin ko sila. Isa-isahin ko sila. In open forum, you can use the Senate o yung Folk Art Center, whatever, everybody will be invited. Tapos manood kayo, tingnan ninyo kung paano ko lampasuhin yung mga yawa na yan. O, tara. Una ko lang tanong sa rapporteur, I killed thousands? O what was the name of the first victim? What happened? Where? For what reason? How was it done? What time was it? Ito si Obama, papatay yung mga blacks doon. Kahapon may binaril na naman na African-American. Kaya magpadala ako ng rapporteur bukas doon sa Amerika. Tanongin ito, bakit pinagbabariling itong mga itim dito? You know? Tapos sabi ng Britain, sabi ng Germany, di warningan nila yung mga Arabs. You stop because we will bomb you. Ang tinatakot ko, mga kriminal, itong inyo, mga bayan ng mundong ito, ang mga kawawang Arab. Kaya ako nagmumura. Kasi kung sila, akala mo with all the pontification and every word that they utter, they would like it to be treated as an ex-cathedra thing. Kung sila marunong, tayo binababoy. Bakit ganon? I will not obey to the unreasonable mandates of whatever mga EU dyan. EU kaya gani, basta maliit ka. Not me. No, nabasa ko yung EU condemnation sa akin. Sabihin ko sa kanila, fuck you. You're doing it in atonement for your sins. Ginawa nilang istrikto dahil may guilt feelings yan sila. Ako dito. Ano? Sino pinatay ko? Assuming it to be true. 1007. Who are they? Criminals? You call that genocide? Ilan ang pinatay nila? In one case, that race killing. They killed 6,000 women and children. In Samar, Balingiga, they stole the builder sa Samar. 10 years old above, pinatay nila lang. That's history. Kasi pag nakita, pagdating na bakit puro bata dito? Walang... The Americans massacred. 10 years old above, punggot ang ulo. Then they stole that Balingiga bell. Ayaw nilang isauli hanggang ngayon. Yung ba, hipokrito ito lang. You should look into the history books. Marami yan sa encyclopedia of events. Kaya mo pinatay nilang mga ano doon, mga Arabs. Pinaluhod nila. Sila yun eh. Sino? France. Britain. Tapos yung iyo ngayon has the goal to condemn it. As again, I repeat it, fuck you. Guidance kung anong what are we supposed to do in the future.
Sabi po ni Senator Lima, President, kailangan mo daw po with Senator Cayetano yung pinilit yung mga testigo para
Inuwala ka niyan. Yung mga NBI, garito na ni Esmeralda pati nilasa ba yan, nasalat. Yung kilala mo lang yan. Mag-swash pa yan sa akin. Cannot do that with yung ganong karami. You cannot orchestrate your testimony. Magbungguan yan eh. Kung hindi totoo, magbungguan yan.
Sir, do you personally know Matobato, sir?
Hindi.
Pero nakita niyo po siya, sir?
I don't remember. Kasi lahat ng kagaya nito, when I was mayor, they were providing the security. Puro pulis, kita mo naman. Itong driver ko, pulis. Ang sila Sani, but Sani, yung si Binaventura, when he retired, he was removed from my security. Puro pulis talaga to. And one time, may mga military men assigned also. I think they're still with yung sa ibang ano ko. The police, because of the threat against my life, and maybe my family at time provided security for my family, and even the military pitch in.
Mayor, expected niyo po ba na for the next few days maglalabas pa na ibang witnesses?
I really do not, hindi ko hawak. Pero alam ko na ang totoo talaga. I mean, I have a picture of a bird's eye view of what happened there. At ako yung nauna eh. Sinabi ko that, remember when I was summoned by the Senate to testify sa trial. Tapos nagsagutan kami ni De Lima because I said, patayin ko. And really naman tanong yun eh. What will you do if you find David Bangayan smuggling in your city? And I said, I will, for stealing 7 billion of the people's taxes, I will. Nagalis De Lima. Sabi ko, De Lima, it's not my mouth. And also sa lahat na ngayon, lahat ng mga international bleeding hearts, it is not my mouth which is really the problem, and even sa business world. If you think that my mouth is not a good investment here, go out. So be it, you go out. It's drugs. Hindi yung bunganga ako. Ang drugs ang problema natin. Hindi nakakalimutan nila. So what's the value of my... And because iniipit nila ako. When I say na, I will, time and again, as I said, I will kill you if you destroy my country. I will kill you if you destroy the children, our children. What is wrong with that? There is no crime threatening criminals. And yet, itong mga international, mga human rights and everybody, bakit? Sa kung may namatay sila, sinabi ko na nga eh.
Sir, any comment of the discovery of the mega factory siya sa Arayat?
Arayat Pampanga po kanina.
No, hindi ko na. I was, sinabi lang nitong nakinig sa radyo. Ito, si Gomer, driver ko. He was the one who was narrating to me what he heard. I was flying then from, I was coming in from Zamboanga, Cagayan.
President, lastly po, kailan po possible magpapalabas yung list ng narco politicians and public officials?
You know, I had it revalidated again. Kasi may nakita ako doon ng mga kaibigan ko na hindi ko sukat akalain. Like si Espino, General. I hit a snag there eh. Kaya yung pinarevalidate ko sa mismo mga tao ko na hindi ko makonekta si General Espino, yung governor ng ano. So, ibinalik ko na naman, kagaya nung iba, kindly try to give me an idea how this guy came into the picture. Or for that matter, why is his name nandyan? So give me an idea kung yung link, I need a link. Either a person or an event somewhere.
Thank you, President.
Okay na tayo ha?
Sige, sige po.
Pinatay nilang mga ano doon, mga Arabs. Pinaluhod nila. Sila yun eh. Sino? France. Britain. Tapos yung iyo ngayon, tapos the gold to condemn it. As again, I repeat it, fuck you. I repeat it, fuck you.